All you need to do is work once and you will be paid royalties for lifetime. This is really interesting and you can make a ton of money out of this. But before we jump into the content, just smash the like button and press the subscribe button. This will give you 100 years of good luck, as well as type down in the comment section below you want to make money, because so that I can really have some nice ideas to create this awesome content for you all people.
So guys, this is a 5-step strategy, and the first step of this strategy is going to be smashing the like button. Okay, so now let's jump into the second step, and this is really important. Keep watching this video so that you can understand everything step by step. So step 2 is going to be, you need to go to this website which is known as idplr.com. Now the thing is that you get all this private label right products on this website. These products are the products which you have a right to sell again or use it as you desire. Okay, so you just have to come to this website and you can just download one of the free. Okay, so you can just register to this website and download free products, okay, PLR products, which you can reuse, okay, in any way whichever you want. Okay, so you can see there are a ton of products which are available over here. I have searched for something which is related to motivation, okay, because we are going to be dealing with this motivation category for making money in this video. Okay, so the first thing is that you just need to come to this website, just download some of the ebooks or the products which are related to courses related to motivation. Okay, so the first step has to be completed in this manner, and this is one of the easiest thing which you can do. Just register and download one of the thing, okay, in any niche, any category, whichever you desire to do. So now once you have downloaded the product, okay, you will get a ton of articles in that product. Okay, so now the second step is going to be, we are going to convert that articles into videos, and for this you can utilize the software which is known as InVideo. Okay, now you can just do it absolutely for free. Just go and sign up for InVideo. There is a free plan which you can definitely do for this strategy. Okay, don't skip the video, because if you are gonna skip the video, you are never gonna make money of it. Okay, then you just need to come here and select this article text to video, and then you can just select any of this. Okay, so I am gonna go for this one for now, and you just need to click on this, use this template. Everything will be covered by this. Okay, so don't worry, we are not gonna upload this to YouTube or do anything like that. We are just gonna utilize this for a very new method. Okay, and this method is really something which is extraordinary. Okay, not many people are doing this. Okay, so how, just type in any of the title. It is like how to get motivated. Okay, then once you have done this, then you can just click on this next button, and this will automatically generate an entire video for you. Okay, so now you can see an entire video has been generated, which you can see over here. Okay, so now what you need to do is, you just need to click on this voiceover, and you just need to click on this record voiceover, so that you can provide your own voiceover on this video. Okay, and you then just need to download this video. Okay, so this is the second step which you need to complete doing this stuff. Okay, now in the same way, you can see there are just so many things which are explained in this. So you just need to create a video course out of this. Okay, whatever content you are getting in this particular book or course, okay, you just have to just convert all this whatever content you get from this website or the course, you just need to convert that into a video course. Okay, that can be 10 video long course, or 5 video, or even 3 video long course. Okay, you just need to create course out of it. Okay, and it is really simple, does not take a work. If you just take out 1 hour of your life, then you can easily create a 30-minute course out of this, utilizing the power of InVideo. Okay, and it is really very simple. Okay, I have shown you the process of how to do that stuff. Okay, so once you have created all the videos out of this all these topics which are given over here. You have created text based course out of it, given your voiceover. It may take some time, but this is really something in which you are working just once and then you are gonna make money for a very long period of time. It is gonna be absolutely good passive income, and you don't have to do the marketing yourself. The platform on which you are going to upload this course is gonna do all the marketing for you. So that is something which is really awesome, and this can be truly passive PayPal income for you, which you can receive anywhere in the world, and this works absolutely worldwide. So once you've created the course, okay, with InVideo, you can do it absolutely for free, okay. But if you don't want to be in the hassle of creating this course yourself, then I'm gonna suggest you a strategy or a method which you can utilize in the end of the video, so that you don't have to create this yourself. You can just pay a very little amount of money and get the service done for you, okay. But if you don't have the money and if you are an absolute beginner, then you just have to do this absolutely by yourself, okay. So once you have created a course, you have created 5 to 10 videos, you just need to come to this website which is known as udemy.com. now everyone knows that you can sell your courses on udemy.com. just come here, sign up for Udemy, and then you can just start selling your courses over here. Just click on the sign up button, upload your courses, and Udemy itself will promote your courses to all the people who are visiting this website. There are more than 500 million visitors every single month on this website, so you know what is the potential of this website and how many customers you can get to your course who are really willing to buy your course. You can sell your course for $5-10, whatever price you want to set it to be, and in this way there is a huge chance for you that you can just not build 1 or 2, but you can build multiple courses just like this. Just create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, as many courses as possible, 30 to 40 minute courses, and then start uploading those courses to this platform which is Udemy. There are other platforms like Skillshare or Teachable. You can also upload these courses to those platforms, and in this way you will get an extra chance of earning extra income just by doing this very simple work. And that is something which is really awesome, and not everybody is doing this stuff because they don't know that they can create courses just by reusing or repurposing the PLR content, that is private label rights content. And this is something which is really awesome. Many of the people are doing this stuff and generally making a lot of profits just by utilizing these small loopholes which can be used to make some good income online, okay. So now if you don't want to create the courses by yourself and go through the hassle, okay, or work 1 or 2 days, then you can just go to this website that is known as Fiverr. Just type in Udemy course and you can find all these people who will make a course. See, I will create a video course for Udemy for $250, okay. There you can find even someone who are cheaper, okay. I will create an online course for $155, so you just need to pay $155 once to this person and create a course, upload it to Udemy, and then that course will be live on Udemy forever. And the thing is that as many times someone purchases your course on Udemy, you are gonna receive royalties for lifetime. And that is something which is just like YouTube. You create a video once and then you get paid for it for lifetime, and that is the same purpose which happens with Udemy. Once you create the course and then you get paid for that course for lifetime. You don't need to record yourself, you don't need to any equipments, or you just all you need to do is just create simple thing, upload it, and then start earning good passive income that you can absolutely receive in your PayPal. And that is the best thing which happens with this. I hope you have got the entire strategy and you will be definitely utilizing this strategy to make this awesome money online. Smash the like button as hard as you can and also press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.